10-hour coffee brew challenge. Ever wondered how to brew the perfect cup of coffee that not only tastes amazing, but also stays fresh for up to 10 hours? You're in the right place. Today, we'll uncover the secrets to a long-lasting, delightful coffee experience. To start, you'll need a few essential items: fresh coffee beans, a grinder, a scale, filtered water, and your preferred brewing equipment. These tools and ingredients ensure a high-quality brew that maintains its flavor and aroma throughout the day. Fresh coffee beans are crucial for achieving rich and robust flavors. Stale beans lose their aromatic oils, resulting in a flat taste. Always opt for whole beans and grind them just before brewing to capture their full essence. Accurate measurement is key to consistency. Using a scale, measure out the right amount of coffee beans to match your brewing method. This precision helps you achieve the perfect balance between strength and flavor, enhancing your overall coffee experience. Grinding your coffee beans correctly is essential for optimal extraction. A consistent grind size ensures even brewing and prevents over-extraction or under-extraction. Adjust your grinder settings based on your brewing method to get the best possible results every time. Start by gently grinding the coffee beans. Use a burr grinder for a consistent grind size, which is crucial for even extraction. Aim for a medium grind, similar to coarse sand, to balance the brewing process and flavor release. Water quality significantly impacts coffee taste. Use filtered water to avoid impurities that can alter the flavor. Hard or soft water can affect extraction, so strive for a balanced mineral content for the best results. The ideal water-to-coffee ratio is essential for a perfect cup. A common ratio is 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee per 6 ounces of water. Adjust according to your taste preference, ensuring the coffee remains strong and flavorful. Different brewing methods can influence how long your coffee stays fresh. Methods like drip brewing, French press, and pour-over each have unique benefits. Choose a method that suits your taste and maintains the coffee's integrity for hours. Follow a step-by-step brewing process to ensure consistency. Start by heating the water to the right temperature. Pour it over the grounds evenly, allowing them to bloom. Continue pouring in a circular motion, ensuring thorough saturation for optimal flavor. Brewing temperature is crucial for extracting the best flavors from coffee beans. Water that's too hot can scald the grounds, resulting in bitterness. Conversely, water that's too cool won't extract enough flavor, leaving your coffee weak and underwhelming. Steeping time determines the strength and flavor profile of your coffee. Too short a steeping period results in a weak brew, while too long can make it overly bitter. Finding the right balance is key to a perfect cup. Pouring the coffee correctly ensures that the flavors are evenly distributed. A slow, steady pour helps in mixing the coffee grounds thoroughly, enhancing the overall taste and aroma. This step can make a noticeable difference in your coffee experience. Storing coffee properly is essential for maintaining its freshness. Use airtight containers to prevent exposure to air and moisture. This helps in retaining the coffee's aroma and flavor, ensuring that each cup tastes as good as the first. Thermal mugs are an excellent choice for keeping your coffee hot for extended periods. They are designed to maintain temperature so you can enjoy your brew for hours. Preheating your cup also helps in preserving the coffee's warmth and flavor. Preheating your cup is a simple yet crucial step to ensure your coffee stays warm longer. Just fill your cup with hot water, let it sit for a minute, then pour it out before adding your freshly brewed coffee. Airtight seals are essential for maintaining the coffee's freshness and temperature. By preventing air exposure, they help preserve the flavor and aroma. Invest in a quality thermal mug with a tight seal to enjoy your coffee longer. Reheating coffee can often lead to a bitter taste. To avoid this, use a gentle method like a stovetop or microwave on a low setting. This helps retain the coffee's original flavor without compromising its quality. Enhancing your coffee's taste can be as simple as adding a pinch of salt to balance bitterness or a splash of milk for creaminess. Experiment with flavors like cinnamon or vanilla to find your perfect cup. Avoiding common coffee mistakes can make a significant difference in your brew. Use fresh, filtered water and clean your equipment regularly. Over-extraction or under-extraction can ruin the taste, so pay attention to brewing times and methods. To sum up, start by selecting fresh coffee beans and accurately measure them for grinding. Use high-quality water and follow the ideal water-to-coffee ratio. Choose a brewing method that suits your preference and ensures longevity. Proper temperature and steeping time are crucial for optimal flavor. Pour the coffee correctly and store it in a thermal mug with an airtight seal. Preheat your cup to maintain temperature and reheat the coffee without compromising its taste. Avoid common mistakes such as using stale beans or poor quality water. Enhance your coffee with simple tips and enjoy a perfect cup that lasts for hours. Try these steps and share your experience in the comments.